Hi, I'm a plain housewife. I love baking, that's my expertise.
I am a pediatrician. I have progressive practice in the south of Metro Manila. My husband has a business.
A retired COCOL employee. I'm a member of Couples for Christ, very active member.
We were living a wonderful life. I didn't have the surveillance that year for the reason that we were happy. One night, when I was already about to go to sleep, I felt pain.
Parang something hard here. I had a strange feeling in my hand. So every time I do this, my 3 fingers went like this.
There's abnormality during when we travel na lagi akong nawiwiwi. So,
I told to my husband, and then sabi my husband, oh, we'll go to the doctor. We'll have it checked.
sir, pa-biopsy tayo.
I was nervous and medyo anxious of what the results is gonna be. Joy, it's not good. It's malignant breast cancer.
Stage 4 breast cancer, and then it metastasized in my spine.
Ibang klase daw yung prostate cancer ko. So, 0 to 4 lang yung PSA dapat. So, sabi niya 144. Nung malaman ko yun, I was driving back home along Costa Road. Sabi ko, Lord God, bakit ganito?
Sabi ko, Lord, whatever sickness you give me, I know kaya ko yan because hindi mo yan bibigay kung hindi ko kakayanin. If I have cancer, bahala ka na. But if you ask me, I want to live because I want to see my grandchildren.
I started crying. And I told my sister, I don't want this.
So sabi ko gano'n sa anak ko, why don't we look for a hospital na kaya natin bayaran? So sabi ng anak ko, Daddy, sa Asian Hospital.
So we will have to do chemotherapy. From the time that you enter the ACI, they are there to assist you, make you feel good and comfortable, even during the infusion.
So I had 2 operations in my spine.
Lord God, alam ko itong tomo, itong radiation equipment na ito, ikaw ang may gawa para gumaling mga tao. Pero kailangan din ng magagaling na mga tao to handle this machine. From 144 na PSA ko, down to 2.37. Sabi ko, Lord God, thank you. Talagang nag-work.
When I was hospitalized here, I loved the nursing care. I was really well taken care of.
Nurses, they're very, very good. My doctors, they are best talaga.
As a doctor, I love my nurses here because they're very attentive to my patients and to me as well.
Ang after nila, yung makatulong sa pasyente. Ma-feel ng pasyente, hindi ka nag-iisa, nandito kami.
I believe that we have the best facilities.
From people handling, from equipment, from machine, yung multidisciplinary team yan. Pag kinumpit namin, sabi namin, talagang ang laki ng pasalamat sa Diyos, sabi ko nga, and the Asian as well. Kasi hindi naman pala ganun kamahal. You have the best services sa mga cancer patients. Ang galing na system and services na binigay nila sa akin.
Asian Hospital, I feel comfortable here. This is my family. I love the camaraderie among doctors and even among staff.
Sinabi ng Diyos, pumunta ka sa Asian. Nandyan yung magpapagaling sa'yo.
If I did not go to Asian Hospital, maybe I'm not around anymore. Maybe I'm not here anymore. I will always be thankful to what Asian Hospital done to me. If you want to live, you have to fight cancer.
Natuto kong ngumiti na as if na wala akong sakit. Magaling na ako.
I just open up a do-it-yourself laundry. I have to do this. Parang, eto na yung pagbangon ko eh. Ito na yung start ng new life ko.
I'm Dr. Joy Arumin.
My name is Ricardo Bautista Garcia.
My name is Concepcion Ozores, and I'm happy because I have my Asian family.
This is my story.
This is my Asian story.